Hey guys, this is gonna be a quick video. Ipipaint natin tong rustic na exhaust pipe with high temperature spray paint. So let's remove the skid plate first. By the way, we're gonna be using here Bosny high temperature spray paint. That's 1200 Fahrenheit. Flat black color gagamitin natin, pero meron din silang gloss black. Meron din silang in-offer na 400 degree Fahrenheit. Well, normally for a motorcycle, nasa 400 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit ang init niyan. Yung mga high performance naman, umabot yan ng mga 800 to 1400 degrees Fahrenheit. So itong 1200, I think good enough na ito. Okay, first step natin, we need to clean the pipe. You can use water, soap, Scotch-Brite, or sandpaper. Ito, fine sandpaper itong ginagamit natin. Make sure lahat ng kanto at sulok maabot nyo, matanggal nyo yung mga existing na kalawang. Then, rinse mo ng water. Then, make sure it is clean and dry. So, when it's clean and dry, you can use newspaper or any paper na pwedeng gamitin as cover dun sa parts na ayaw natin malagyan ng spray paint. So, you can also use paper tape here. Double check nyo yung mga spots na aabutin ng paint kasi medyo malagkit siya eh. So, yeah. So, this is gonna be 3 layers. 3 coating siya. Okay. When you spray painting pala anything, usually the distance should be 1 foot. So yeah, turn around, hanapin niyo lahat ng kanto para lahat malagyan. Hindi ko na pinakita yung second coat and third coat, pero yeah, yun ang kailangan natin gawin dito. You need to give it a rest pala, around 15 to 20 minutes every coat, para mag-rest siya. Okay, so ito na yung finished product. Very satisfied naman sa project natin. Ganda ng finish. So ngayon, babalik na natin yung skid plate. And we're all set. So the next morning, pinanda natin makina and normal na may experience nyo na may usok siya kasi merong moisture yung paint. Pero yun, give it a few minutes, mawawala din yan and you're all good. Thanks for watching, guys.